Hello everyone, I'm Benjit Sohail from English Access Scholarship Program Attack. Today we're celebrating International Book Lovers Day. I have with me my fellows and my coordinator. We're going to talk to them and listen to their experiences, their favorite books, and the genres they like. Firstly, let's hear from Chaman Haj about a memorable story he wants to share.
Thank you, Veja, for organizing all this thing. Today is the International Book Lovers Day, and I consider myself a book lover as well. Yeah, I think I am. Let's just evaluate from one of the story from my past. I'm not very much proud of that story, but let's just discuss about the story. I was a child back in 2004, I guess. Yeah, 2004 or 2003. I was in class 4th, actually, right? So मैंने क्या किया? I went to the library. I was very much bent to read other books other than my curriculum. So what I did was I went to the library and मैंने librarian हमारे एक उस्ताद थे. He was quite old, so he would take a lot of time to search a book. अगर मैं उसको भी book का बताऊँ ना, it would take a lot of time. So what I did was I told him to search a book which was not in the library. I knew that, right? So वो बुक ढूंढने लग गए एंड आई हैड प्लान दिस एक्चुअली. मैंने आधी अपने कोर्स की जो बुक्स थी वो घर से लेके नहीं गया था. माय बैग वाज ऑलमोस्ट हाफ फुल, आई वुड से. सो आई रोम्ड अराउंड द लाइब्रेरी. टार्जन और मंगू की जो कहानियाँ होती, आई वाज स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 4. सो टार्जन और मंगू की कहानियाँ होती हैं उनकी ऑलमोस्ट 30 बुक्स. I stole 30 books from the library and I had those books in my bag and I went and then the librarian came and he said, "Beta, नहीं मिली book." मैंने कहा, "It's okay, it's okay, कोई मसला नहीं उस्ताद, ठीक है सब कहेंगे." I said, "ठीक है." उसने कहा, "ठीक है, okay, fine." So I went home. 2 दिन तक तो मैंने पढ़ा. दूसरे दिन तीसरे दिन सुबह I was very fond of reading, so I woke up. मेरी बस पकड़ा जाना था. So I slept with a book now. So when my brother came to wake me up, तो उसने देखा कि मैं टार्जन और मंगू पढ़ रहा हूँ, तो उसने मुझे जगाया. I was not supposed to read those books other than curriculum से ना, मतलब normally बहुत ही strict होता है. I was very much strict, academically organized मेरा घर था. तो उसने कहा, "अच्छा तुम ये पढ़ते हो, कोर्स की किताबें नहीं पढ़ते हो, तुम ये करते हो." अच्छा जब उठाया तो मेरा तकिए के नीचे से और भी बुक्स निकली. ऑलमोस्ट 30 बुक्स मेरे किताबों के मेरे बैग में बुक्स हैं. टार्जन मंगू हर जगह और उम्रू यान एंड एवरीथिंग. सो पंचायत बैठ गई. बाबा कैम एंड एवरीवन. सो उन्होंने मुझे वापस लाइब्रेरी के पास ले गए एंड उन 30 किताबों के साथ 2-3 किताबें मेरी भी चली गई. उन्होंने कहा, "नहीं ये तुम्हारी नहीं है." मैं पॉकेट मनी से बचा के मैंने कुछ बुक्स ली थी. So all the books I went back to the library and I'm not sure if I'm proud of that whatever I did, but I did that in the love of books. So I was banned from the library for like 2 years, but I kept on doing that. और फिर मैंने एक जगह बनाई थी. I kept it nested in the मेरे घर के साथ ही एक mountain. There is a mountain, so I made a place there to hide some books, and I would go there to read books while I was supposed to read my course books at home. So मैं अक्सर वहाँ जाता था जब books पढ़नी थी. This is from Tarzan Mangu. Right now I am reading The Future of Geography by Tim Marshall, one of the very prominent writers in geography. So I love books now in philosophy, theology. I love poetry. I read Sufism a lot. Yeah, I'm not very fond of Sufism. I hate Sufism, but I read a lot. They write a lot of stuff. Yeah. So I've read a lot of authors. So we can talk about authors of any genre. If someone ask me which is your favorite book, बड़ा मसला हो जाता है क्योंकि हर genre से कोई 1-2 किताबें फेवरेट होती हैं. So I cannot find out कि which book is my favorite. काफी इशू हो जाता है. So that's my story.
Did you use that you're basically a lawyer?
Yeah.
That was extremely impressive work.
Yeah.
Let's move on to Aida. Aida, do you have any story, any relatable experience that you can share, or any general experience with books?
Yes, actually I'm also a fan of book reading. I believe that they're not only entertaining, but they also gives an escape from reality, like a whole new world of imagination, and you just get lost in them. I remember once my sister borrowed a series of books from friend. And I also loved them. I had read about 2 books and one was remaining. I really liked it. And the fact is that I and my sister had a big fight. And of course, after the fight, she's not gonna even let me touch them. Having no option, I would wake up at 4 a.m. in the morning.
Oh my God.
Around 4 a.m. or 3, I can't recall actually. And those were winters. It was really hard to wake up. But of course, love for books. And
Love for books, of course.
I was really curious to know the ending because there were 3 books actually, so I wanted to end it. And I would wake up, I would read the book in the torch so that my sister won't wake up because she would sleep beside me.
Oh my God.
And we would sleep in the same room, and it was so and I would read under the rugs. It was so cold on those days, and I just finished the book in 2 days.
Wow, that's extreme
Wow.
dedication.
That is really an impressive story.
Let's move on to Fiza. Fiza, do you have any relatable experience related to your book experience?
Yes, my favorite book is Talk Like Ted. Okay, I relate to this book that it's about an author who uses his own experience, invoices and research, who makes guide the reader step by step, become a step toward becoming a more
Yes.
Great.
I relate to the talk like Ted to this for me that speaking well is not speaking well is a good thing, but not only it's a big words, it's ideas. You have self.
Wonderful. That was a good.
Knowledge, information, and I still remember the rainy book and the light
And
verse.
there is another story. Let's hear it. Yeah.
It was a rainy night and I was reading a book and the light went up and I just took my favorite book and lit a little candle and sat in my room and I started my reading because I just wanted to complete my book. And finally I completed my book and that day I realized books are not just for reading, they are for living. And finally I just want to say that books are your real friends and you have to read the book for enhance your knowledge.
Oh my God. You have said something. Can you imagine you have said something? I want to write it down.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
extremely impressive.
Books are not just for reading,
They are for living.
they are for living. Wonderful. Wonderful. Great. Books are not just reading, they are living. Now, in Mamtu, I would say these things come out of the books.
I mean, it's
Opinion, I have read a lot of novels. It's not feel like a novel. You can call it a web novel. It's about a boy who got abandoned, orphaned from a plane crash. It's like a difference between the children who have known peace and the children who have known war. They both have different moral values. Right now, the children with the peace, which have only known peace, have different values. Like they would just say simple things. Just ask for a better future, like some expensive Krishna, and the other one which have known war and they have known the value of the peace. So they will just say normal life living is more of heaven for them. So it's more. I would like to recommend that to everyone because I really got inspired by that.
That's kind of familiar.
Yeah.
क्या नाम बताया?
It's called mercenary involvement.
Mercenary enrollment. Mercenary enrollment.
good name.
Yeah.
Looks like a
So, ma'am, Behjat, it's your turn, I think. You want to share something about?
I actually am a book lover, a crazy one actually. I
Wow.
love books, my sister loves books, and I think this is one of those things we have in common. I read books from her, I steal them, can you say that? I
What?
steal books from my sister.
Steal?
Yeah,
Like
me?
Yeah, that's my sunnat, I was saying.
You both are book lover and also book snatcher.
Snatchers, book stealers, and, you know,
I don't know, I love it.
robbers.
That was great pleasure to just steal it and read it. And then I discuss it with her. This was the story, this was the plot, this was the twist. I love it. Not just that, it gives you a huge experience of different people in the world. The readers can see that the people in the story or the novel or the book, the characters, they give you a different point of view, a different viewpoint you can view the world from. And that was,
Yeah.
if you have anything to share, please share